Another day, another devotion day. So, for today's video, ang devotion natin is sa Matthew chapter 25. Sa verse 14, the parable of the bags of gold. Minsan, tinatawag doon the parables of the talent. So, basahin natin. In verse 4, again, it will be like a man going on a journey who called his servants and entrusted his wealth to them. To one, he gave 5 bags of gold, to another 2 bags, and to another 1 bag, each according to his ability. Gusto ko yung word na each according to his ability. We all know that the man who entrusted is God, and the servant is us. And God entrusted us with different kinds of talents, with different kinds of things that we can do, capability. May mga in-entrust sa atin ng mga Panginoon. Yung iba, maraming in-entrust sa kanila. Merong kukonte at merong mas konti. Pero what I like about here in Matthew chapter 25 is God knows ano yung capability natin ano yung kapasidad natin. So, hindi by instance na you have more, hindi by instant that you have medyo konti, and it doesn't mean na you have less, is dyan ka na mag-end up. Less na lang talaga ang marireceive mo. And we all know that what happened to the story. So, what comes next? The man who had received 5 bags of gold went once and put his money to work and gained 5 bags more. And so also, the one with 2 bags of gold gained 2 more. But the man who had received 1 bag went off, dug a hole in the ground, and hid his master's money. So, yung naka-receive ng 5 bags of gold, na-multiply nito na times 2 kasi pinagtrabahuhan niya, pinagsumikapan niya. Same as yung naka-receive ng 2 bags. At unfortunately, yung isang naka-receive ng isa, sa takot niyang mawala ito, hindi niya to ni-utilize. Hindi niya to ginamit. And instead na matuwa ang master sa ginawa ng servant na yon, yung pinakahuling servant, which is yung binigyan ng isa, is nakakatakot yung naging reaction ng master niya. Sabi dito, the man who received 1 bag of gold, Master, he said, I know that you are hard man, harvesting where you have not sown and gathering where you have not scattered.